Hey viewers, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're delving into a captivating term that belongs to the world of chemical sciences. It is a liquid, commonly found in vinegar. Well, how do we say its name correctly? We may pronounce it as acetic acid. Acetic acid. C-tic. Acid. Acetic acid. Acetic acid is generally safe in small amounts. However, concentrated acetic acid can be corrosive and harmful to humans. Isn't it fascinating how breaking down a word can make it clearer? If you enjoyed learning about acetic acid, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more educational content. Thanks for watching. Remember, knowledge is power. See you next time.